Hello everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a split feature in Shotcut. Shotcut is a video editing software that's free to use. I'll put the link in the description, how to get it and use it. So here's your main interface here. This is your video there. You just drag it and drop it to the screen here, and this comes up. So what I mean by the split feature is right here. It's called split at playhead, or the shortcut is S. So when you find like a pause in your videos, when you find one for example, like down here on the bottom with no voice at all, you just drag this to it or click where you want it to. But next to, make sure your audio levels is not you talking at first, and just put it right there, hit S, and now split it. Now that's not it. Now you drag it to the other side and S again, right click, remove or delete. It's up to you. And that's really all it is. Quite simple how to remove sound and stuff you don't want. And over here, same thing. Put it here, hit S, split it, and put it right here. Right click, remove. So that's really the split feature. It's quite easy. So if you've enjoyed this video, have any questions, put in the comments, and have a wonderful day. See ya. Hi everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video track for Shotcut. Here's your video here. Here's your bottom timeline, which you use, edit, and whatever. So all you do is right click, hit add video track. When that's added, now you click this, and you drag it to the video, to the track. Make sure it snaps on there, and there you go, it's on there. And that way you can add audio track, but audio is already in there. You can split it, which I showed in the last video. Copy, cut, paste, whatever you need to do with it. You can zoom in, zoom out. So it's a very handy tool to use for Shotcut. Now to export it, you go to Export tab and make sure you type in these settings for YouTube requirements. 1920 by 1080, so it'll be 1080p quality. And make sure frames either 50 frames per second or 30 frames per second. It's up to you what to use. And export. Then it'll come up here on the job section. Then it'll export the video. So this is a quick and easy tip for Shotcut, how to get a video track and audio track. It's quite simple. So enjoy the videos. Have any questions, put in the comments, and have a wonderful day. See ya. Hey everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters to your video. Here's the video here. This is Shotcut, the main menu screen. Here's your properties, playlist, filters, and export. Filters has a lot of different things on it. You can add, there's two categories, video and audio. Video ones have a lot of text, adjustments, color, brightness, the cropping, fade in, fade out, glow, invert colors, mostly video related stuff. Audio can make the video louder, the balance, the band pass, down mix, expander, like a lot of similar ones. So yeah, it's really simple for Shotcut. You just click on the filters tab here and your filters will pop up. You type the name of it here and it will pop up as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See ya. Hello everybody, it's Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a video in Shotcut. What you need to do is when you're on Shotcut, the main menu screen, there's four tabs: properties, playlist, filters, and export. You go to export tab, and here it should be automatically how it is. Now you format, you want MP4 video resolution, you want it to be 1920 by 1080p. So YouTube will have the highest quality video for it, so 1920 by 1080. And aspect ratio, leave 16 by 9. Frames, give me 60 frames per second or 30. I prefer 60 because it makes the video better. And all this stuff, leave how it is. And then export file. When it exports it, it goes to the jobs tab over here, and it will load and it will say it's exporting. It might take probably a couple minutes, depends how long the video is. And when that's done, it will have a check mark, and that's it. Your video is exported. So hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. See ya. Hello everybody, this is Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split audio for the video editing. All you do is find the one on audio take out. I'm going to put it like right here. Make sure you split it with the S key and split that one. Now you right click here, add audio track, right click it, and detach audio. So when you have that, it's muted. So you can, in case you have music or anything, you put it in there. To remove it, put it down here and delete it. And since that's splitted, now you can remove this as well. And there you go. Now the audio portion is gone. So that's one easy way to do it. You do that way, or want to take a lot of audio out to do the same thing. Split it again, over here, detach audio, right click, remove. And keep the clip in. You can add your own audio. Just make sure you have it narrated or add some copyright free music and put it in the background. Either way will work fine. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.